Tesla finally reveals its ultra-fast, high-performance version Model S Plaid at its factory in Fremont, California, aiming to reignite the interest of the old sedan and repel rivals such as Porsche, Lucid Motors, and Mercedes-Benz in the luxury electric vehicle market. Elon Musk mentioned that the electric vehicle company will begin with 25 deliveries on Friday evening, expanding to several hundred cars per week, and the number will increase to 1,000 in the next quarter. Tesla Model S was originally introduced in June 2012 as an all-electric sedan in order to satisfy sedan consumer needs. The vehicle first appeared in 2008, when Tesla was planning to offer a range-extended version of this car, including a gasoline engine to extend the driving range of the vehicle, but it was removed in later revisions to follow Musk's vision in producing all-electric vehicles. As he announced at the GoingGreen Conference later in 2008, Tesla is developing only electric cars. In 2013, the Model S became the first electric car to top the monthly new car sales ranking in any country. Moreover, the global Model S sales passed 250,000 units in September 2018, adding that the US is its leading market, with about 158,000 units delivered through December 2019. The launch of the Model S Plaid, which has already been showcased online, has faced delay and some controversy over an expected airplane-style yoke steering wheel. Musk canceled another variant, Model S Plaid Plus, which would have had a 33% higher driving range than the Model S Plaid, and used advanced battery technology known as 4680 cells. The car's name is a reference to the movie Spaceballs. In the space action parody, stars brightly streak past as the spaceship enters ludicrous speed, the velocity eventually represented by an equally ridiculous pattern, plaid. This event kicked off by the Model S designer Franz von Holzhausen holding a sledgehammer as prep for breaking a few records. Then Elon Musk showed up driving a shiny black Model S around the test track, gliding right onto the stage to the dulcet sounds of EDM. The four-door electric sedan goes from 0 to 60 in 1.99 seconds, which Musk says breaks the 2-second barrier that no production car has ever been able to break. It produces 1,020 horsepower, has a top speed of 200 miles per hour with the proper tires, and can complete a quarter mile in 9.23 seconds. The battery pack can travel 390 miles on a single charge, but Musk added the car can go up to 412 miles with the dual-motor configuration, adding that the Model S Plaid has a tri-motor setup. Moreover, the improved charging speed gives drivers 187 miles of range in just 15 minutes. Musk offered no significant details on the Model S Plaid battery pack, saying simply, "Model S goes to Plaid speed this week. Plaid Plus is canceled. No need, as Plaid speed is just so good." This is what Musk tweeted on Sunday. Musk didn't elaborate more details, but he spent much time talking about the new motor. One of the key elements of the new drive units is carbon-sleeved rotors, used for the first time in series production. The motor has to wind at extremely high tension, as copper and carbon have different thermal characteristics. According to the graph shown, the end result is a very good power curve of the Plaid car, far ahead of the previous key Tesla Model S cars. Tesla says that the Plaid version should be able to do 5 times as many quarter-mile runs as previous Model S sedans, thanks to the new powertrain and the new heat pump that was developed for the Model Y. The heat pump is not new in Tesla cars. It was introduced in the Tesla Model Y. This component is very important to offer higher energy efficiency in electric vehicles, especially during the winter. Moreover, Musk mentioned that Tesla vehicles are still acing the National Highway Traffic Safety Administration's crash tests for years, including the Model S Plaid. Also, there are many other updates to the interior, like the yoke steering wheel, panoramic main screen, ventilated front seats, and more. The GPU is at the level of PlayStation 5. There was someone playing Cyberpunk Live while Elon Musk showed this new feature. The new updated software has a feature that most Tesla owners have long wanted to add: waypoints. With it, the drivers could enter several destinations into one trip within Tesla's navigation system. Musk also added that with autopilot engaged, the software could guess what direction, location, and route a driver would want to take. Tesla's standard autopilot and premium full self-driving options do not make the company's cars self-driving. We've already discussed the 5 levels of automation before. Link in the description. All Tesla vehicles' autopilot are driver assistance systems that require active supervision at all times, according to the company's owner's manuals, and company communication with government offices, including the California DMV. Finally, the price was increased after Tesla canceled the more powerful Model S Plaid Plus, and now the Plaid costs $131,190, and the increase won't affect those who have already placed orders. If you want more updates, make sure to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.